Hello guys, welcome to the Cell Culture Lab. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe for the cell culture related videos. We will show how to make research grade cell bank in this video. We start with the requirement first. You will be needing cryovolts, cell in log phase condition, pre-chilled fresh cell culture medium, 50 ml centrifuge tubes, centrifuge, DMSO, vial stand, cryobox which is already filled with IPA, pipette and tapes, etc. Cryobox ensure the freezing rate of 1 degree Celsius per minute. You need to follow the aseptic cell culture techniques to perform the cell freezing experiment. We should know the viable cell density of the culture which we are going to use for freezing. This we have done already. We will also upload a video on how to perform viable cell count and its calculation. So don't forget to subscribe. Coming back to topic, generally 1 into 10 raised to power 7 cells per ml is used for preparing the stocks. Here we are using the same. So as per calculation, for making 7 stocks, we are taking 26.11 ml of culture in a sterile 50 ml centrifuge tube. Centrifuge it at low RPM. We do this at 700 RPM for 5 minutes just to settle the cell. We don't want to damage the cell. Carefully discard the supernatant without disrupting the cell palette. Add the required fresh chilled medium to cells. Here we are adding 6.3 ml of media for 7 bus of stock because 10% will be DMSO. Mix the cell gently with simple tapping or slow shaking, and also you can use gentle pipetting. Label each oil carefully with the cell type, stock preparation date, clone number, passage number, and also the medium name. To each vial, add the 100 microliter of DMSO. Now add the 900 microliter of medium containing the cell to each vial. Make sure the cells are in homogeneous condition. Mix the cell gently with the pipette. After adding the cell, secure the vial label with the sellotape and transfer the cell to Mr. Frosty cryo box. The cryo box can be stored in -80 degrees Celsius for 1 day and then transferred to liquid nitrogen. If you want to store the cell for the shorter time, you can store them in -80 degrees itself.